Brotherhood.
Opportunity.
Collaboration.
Trust.
Caring.
Vital.
The vineyard workers are absolutely the base of our whole industry, and the people who do this don't have good access to services, and therefore we have created Salud.
This was not one person's idea and they persuaded other people to do it. It was really a bunch of people getting together.
I recall back working for Dick Erath when I was managing Erath Vineyards. He referred to the vines as requiring 7 house calls per year, and the vineyard workers are the ones that actually make those house calls.
Every time a crew comes into my vineyard, whether it's the picking crew or just my vineyard guys, I'm constantly reminding them, you know, you go to Salud. They've got a clinic coming up. There's a dental clinic coming up. Remember, you can take your daughter. Certainly during harvest, when we have lots of people in the vineyard, I get up on my soapbox and bring out my rusty Spanish and tell them all about Salud and how they should be utilizing the services.
Working directly with the workers and their families is what I do on a daily basis, either in person, by phone, or when we go and visit them at the vineyard.
This model has been in place for about 10 years and it's worked very well. As we've grown, we've built efficiencies into it such that we take care of the preventative needs, the educational needs, the work safety needs, and the acute care needs.
The organization is touching lives in so many different ways, from addressing the physical needs of a child to the complete needs of families.
A lot of education, a lot of early intervention, a lot of helping people navigate the healthcare system.
I see it as something that we have been able to provide, that we needed to provide.
As winery and vineyard owners, it only seemed right that once we recognize the need of the vineyard workers and their challenges with healthcare, that we need to step up.
They give us fair work, they give us honesty, loyalty, everything. And we have an obligation to give that back to them.
Well, in the winery and vineyard community, I think there's a sense of us all being in it together without much of a hierarchy. There's definitely a brotherhood.
The challenges were to find the network of clinics, hospitals, private healthcare providers, mid-care providers to work with us.
Our number one resource is the community health centers, where people can go for primary care, you know, immediate care, prenatal care, well baby checks, vaccinations. And then we also have made a big emphasis in providing dental services and resources for dental services. So we have created a collaborative effort with many private and public programs.
To be able to like right off the bat say, look, I have the answer for you. This is where you can get care. If you need it right now or you need it in a month, you can get it from Salud.
It is the wine that really fuels the machine called Salud.
The lion's share of the funding for Salud services comes from the proceeds of the auction.
That is primarily through the sale of case lots of these special Salud cuvées.
It is the one thing that I certainly, and all of us look certainly forward to, celebrate the past year and enjoy wonderful wines.
The auction has evolved quite a bit. But in the end, the goal has always been the same, and that is how can we raise money? How can we utilize the talents of Oregon's best Pinot Noir winemakers to craft, you know, unique cuvées that people will want to buy?
The wine itself is an exclusive wine. Every winery makes a wine exclusively for this event. And it's not just a wine, it's the very best that they can make.
I worked very hard as a young kid to get to college and become a professional. And I think all folks that have achieved something should give back. They should give back.
Just to go and visit a family and talk to them and how grateful they are for the things that we do that are simple things, seriously, in the scheme of things. It's just basic access to care.
We have to take care of these people. They're integral.
If we believe that wine is made in the vineyard, then we have to support the people who make it in the vineyard.
It is a model for what can be done.
We're all in it together.